Word image hacks, insert, format, and style videos. Yes, you are listening right. Today we're gonna talk about that how to add a image in MS Word document, and after that format them and style them in ease. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe channel for get more videos like this. I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Sorry for the UPS noise because electricity is not there. So first of all we are going to open this word file, that is this one, and I think thought up we have two paragraphs over here and we want to insert a image into it. Let's go there, and after that just go to the option on insert and go to the image, and after that just select the image you want to add. I am adding this one, and voila, it's inserted into your word file. If you want to format it, if you want to increase the size, you can increase it from over here. If you want to decrease, you can decrease it from over. It depends on you which side you want to increase or decrease. It depends on you. If you want to rotate, just you can rotate. It's depend on you. Now if you want to add formats to it, then image formats are over here. Then go to format and select any of these. If you want to make it oval, just select that one and it's all. And from over here you can style them in different styles. You can check that out. It's oval, and from here we can select a reflection style. This is a reflection style, and we can make it a little bit of 3D style and a lot of options are over there. If you want to add a border, you can add it over here. If you want to decrease this size, you can do the. So if you want to move your image over these letters, then what you can do, you have to click option button or right click over here and go to the word text, sorry, wrap text, and after that go to the behind the text. If you want to send your image behind the text, you can send it like this, and if your image is okay, then you can format these accordingly. If you want to insert in between, just go to the again option text wrap and through. If you add this through, then it automatically adjust accordingly like this. If you want to add over here the content, sorry, over here the content and image is over here, you can do so. If you want to move it lower, you can do so. So that's the way how you can set up your image. You can text wrap more. There are a lot of options in front of the text or behind the text or top or bottom or through, tight, square. What you want to do, you can do over here. A lot of options. Now if you want to change the colors and other things, just double tap on it and go to the format and go to this color option, and now you can change it to black and white. You can change it to any other color according to your requirement. You can change it, and if you want to make it lighter or darker, just go to the correction option and choose filter from over here, brightness level, which brightness level you required. So that's the way how you can insert image into your word file, and you can style them, format them. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.